Unwrap 25 days of iconic beauty in this year's Lookfantastic advent calendar. It's available to pre-order now. It has a value of over £565 and it can be yours for £100. It contains 27 products in 25 days and 13 of which are full size. And everyone will receive a £30 gift voucher from Foreo as well. You get to see a full unboxing very soon, but I just thought I'd share some sneak peeks with you. Day number 19, we have got a full size Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This alone retails for £63. It's one of my favourite moisturising creams and it's a firm favourite with beauty lovers. Day number 13, we've got a MAC lipstick. This is the Lackluster lipstick. It retails for £24 and it's in shade Hug Me. It's a really beautiful formula in a nice sort of nude shade. Next, day number 6, we've got a fragrance mist and this is by Sol de Janeiro and this is Charosa 59. It has notes of vanilla orchid, sugared violet and sheer sandalwood. It smells absolutely gorgeous. The fragrance mist. Day number 21, we got Iconic London and this is Prep Set and Glow. It's a setting mist in original. It's full size, it retails for £25. You can apply it to prep your skin and you can apply it afterwards to set your makeup and to hydrate your skin, and it leaves a gorgeous dewy glowy finish. Day number 11, around the corner here, we've got a candle and this is from Rituals. This is Ritual of Sakura. It says, one beautiful fragrance can create many beautiful memories. This is a gorgeous scent and it retails for £17. Day number 3, there's 2 items in here. They're for your hair, they're by Wella, and this is Ultimate Repair. It's shampoo and conditioner duo here, and they have a value of £26. And we've got Medicate. It's a daily exfoliator, liquid exfoliator. This is Press and Glow, PHA tonic with enzyme activator. There's 200 mils here. Full size and it retails for £28. So those are a few items inside the calendar. I'm not going to show you what day 25 is, but it is a palette. I'm not going to tell you who it is though. You'll see my full unboxing when I go through them all, swatch them, try them out, tell you a little bit about them, coming soon. So yeah, pre-order is available now and let me know what you think.